Casio CDP-S160 Honest Review 2026. For the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me about this portable keyboard piano. It's not just for beginners, but also a game changer for experienced musicians looking to expand their sound. You're probably wondering if it's worth investing in a digital keyboard, especially with the rise of electronic music production and software plugins. Well, let me tell you, I was skeptical too. But after putting this baby through its paces, I'm here to give you the lowdown on what makes it tick. The Casio CDP-S160 is designed for portability and versatility, but can it deliver? Let's dive in and find out. What do I mean by deliver? Well, that's a good question. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me put your mind at ease. This keyboard has all the bells and whistles you'd expect from a premium product, plus some. Therefore, if you're tired of mediocre sound quality and clunky interfaces, keep reading. Now that I've piqued your interest, hopefully, let's get into the details. But first, what do you know about digital keyboards? Have you had any experiences with them in the past? As a seasoned musician myself, I can tell you that finding the right equipment can be overwhelming, especially when it comes to budget friendliness and quality. Therefore, I was blown away by Casio's commitment to delivering top-notch sound at an unbeatable price. Now that we've set the stage, let's talk about some of the standout features of this baby. Weight: only 8.5 pounds, perfect for lugging around on gigs or in the studio. Dimensions: compact design, fits snugly into any backpack or gig bag. Keys: graded touch sensitivity and ivory-style textured keys. But here's what really caught my attention. Casio's proprietary sound engine, which boasts an impressive 48-note polyphony and a rich piano tone that will transport you to the world of acoustic grand pianos. Therefore, if you're in need of a reliable and versatile keyboard for your next gig or studio project, keep reading. Okay, so let's talk about the ins and outs, no pun intended. What do I mean by versatility? Well, it means that this little beast can handle anything from classical to jazz to electronic music with ease. But don't just take my word for it. The Casio CDP-S160 has been praised by industry professionals and enthusiasts alike for its authentic sound quality, ease of use, versatility. Now I know what you're thinking. Is this keyboard worth the investment? Well, let me put it this way. If you value sound quality, portability, and ease of use above all else, then this is a no-brainer. Therefore, don't settle for mediocre sound quality or clunky interfaces anymore. Get your hands on the Casio CDP-S160 today and experience the difference for yourself. But here's what I didn't expect from this keyboard: its incredible durability. With its rugged design and high-quality materials, you can bet it'll withstand even the toughest gigs. Now that we've covered some of the standout features, let me ask you a question. Are you tired of having to lug around bulky keyboards or software plugins? Then keep reading, because I'm about to reveal something incredible. The Casio CDP-S160 is perfect for anyone looking to expand their musical horizons without breaking the bank. Whether you're a seasoned musician or just starting out, this keyboard has got your back. But don't take my word for it. Check out some of the reviews from industry professionals and enthusiasts. An incredible sound quality and ease of use that rivals even the most expensive keyboards. I was blown away by the authentic piano tones. Therefore, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on this incredible keyboard today. Final thoughts: whether you're a seasoned musician or just starting out, the Casio CDP-S160 has got everything you need and more. Don't settle for mediocre sound quality or clunky interfaces anymore. Invest in yourself and your music with this top-notch digital keyboard piano.